Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the phone physically ready. Clean the lens and stabilize the Edge 60 Fusion on a small tripod or surface. Once steady, open the camera app and switch to macro or the closest focal option. This reduces focus hunting. Tap and hold to lock AE/AF, then switch into manual focus or use touch focus to place the subject precisely. This gives you a stable baseline. It prevents blur and ensures exposure stays consistent while you frame tighter. Now refine focus and lighting so details pop. You should use manual focus or focus peaking to sweep through the subject slowly. Small focus shifts reveal the sharp plane. Make light directional but soft. Use a diffuser or small reflector to avoid harsh highlights. Lower ISO to reduce noise and lengthen shutter speed, but remember to enable a timer or remote trigger so you don't introduce shake. Once these are dialed in, review focus at 100% and adjust composition or lighting as needed. Finish by capturing a series of frames for safety and possible focus stacking. You want several images with slightly different focus planes for the crispest composite. Transfer files and perform selective sharpening, noise reduction, and crop to tighten the subject. If images come out soft, make sure vibration is eliminated. Use a faster shutter, better stabilization, or enable any focus bracketing feature. If reflections or hotspots reappear, add diffusion or change angle. These quick fixes usually resolve the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.